Out and about today, and we've stopped in at Kilcunda.
I know.
Kilcunda. I have to check that. Kilcunda, I think. East Beach. Recommended by a fellow traveller and follower living the dream. This is her favourite beach, and I can see why.
Just got a bit of sun out too, so nice now. It's overcast day.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
There's any seals?
And I turn around. What are you doing up there? What?
Looking for seals over on the rocks. But there's none.
No, they're all on seal rocks. So, next to that beach, this is a trestle bridge.
So it looks like the old train track.
Now, it does say an old railway bridge, I think, somewhere.
Yeah, look, Ange. They left a bit of the railway line in.
Yep. So they've
Wow.
basically probably covered it.
This is the whole track here. We're walking on it.
Look at that. That's actually the creek, look. That's actually the creek, look. Or whatever you call it.
Yeah, some river. Some little pissy river. It'll flow
The
down.
sand.
Flows both ways. Depending on the tide. You'd reckon it'd be nearly running, not enough water I suppose last night. We had 20 mil last night, didn't we?
Yesterday, yeah.
Not enough to run the creek. Because this creek here should be running out to sea. Look where it's coming from, look. Look at the hills. So it all runs this way. When the tide comes up, it goes back in that way. But it's not enough rain to flush it. Oh, you can't walk down this side.
Oh well, looks like we've got to
Stitch up.
go back to the car park. Can't get down there.
No.
Oh well. Mind.
Yeah, well, could do, but it's not worth roughing it.
Long way down there.
Kids, it looks like kids will run down through there.
The kids will go anywhere.
It is a nice beach, isn't it? Pity the water wasn't warm.
Okay. We come down off the bridge, away from the beach, through the car park. We're going to go for a walk around here. Have a look at the Trestle Bridge. Ooh. I'm going to go over here. So I reckon there's a bit of an indent here. I reckon people have stopped and to take photos, so must be the photo shot. Anyway, I'm going to grab one. This is so cool. This part of the world has got so many trestle bridges in it. Ooh.
That'll do, NJ. If you don't walk around through there.
No, I don't think so. I don't even know how you can get down there, over there. Span. Very nice.
Yeah.
Especially with the sea in the background. Alright, mosey on.